Hello, I'm Harvey from Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we have a lovely example of a Land Rover Defender. Not only is this a HSE, so it's massive specification, it's a 3-litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower engine, so it's the most popular engine we do in the Eiger Grey with the Atlas Grey Defender badging, the Atlas Grey grille as well, and all the exterior detailing points. Being an X-Dynamic, you do get the advantage of these gloss black accents around the car. 22-inch gloss black wheels, which is a very expensive option to see, and again a very desirable one. Not only do we have the 22-inch wheels, we have accessories on this car, front and rear classic mud flaps with fixed side steps, and this car also comes with a rear spoiler and wind deflectors as well. Black body coloured spare wheel cover coming into the rear of the car. You still get a generous amount of space in Defender 90, although it is not huge. You've got a split down, which do fold completely flat with the seats as well, so you can utilise for more storage. And then if we jump into the front of the car, this car in particular comes with the Acorn interior, 20,438 miles from new. If we just get rid of that, sliding panoramic roof on HSE, big selling point. Big screen at time of the car being new, heated and cooled seats, heated front and rear windscreen, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, and we've got the very desirable dark grey crossbeam, which again is another option above and beyond HSE, and some extra storage underneath. So all around a very nice car. So should you be looking for a highly spec Defender, look no further. This one's available, ready for immediate delivery. Feel free to inquire online or call us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.